Welcome to the fun Facebook Ads Manager course. If this dashboard looks complicated and confusing to you, don't worry, I will simplify everything for you and show you only the things that you need to know to run ads in no time. I will show you the only two places that you need to visit so you don't get overwhelmed by all the links and buttons and locations that Facebook throws at you. You will also learn why never to press this home button because it's a way for Facebook to trick you into running amateur and poor quality ads with poor targeting on your Facebook page, which will lose you a lot of money. And we will wrap this episode up by showing you the correct and fun way to structure your ad campaigns. How running Facebook ads is like managing your very own movie studio. I will show you the strategy that movie studios like Marvel Studios use to set up their blockbuster movie campaigns and how to copy their business model to increase the success of your ads. Let's get started. Let's start by showing you how to get around this dashboard. Click on the icon with the three lines on it at the left-hand side of the screen. This is the All Tools button. If you ever get lost, this is the button to press to figure out where you are. As you can see, we are currently at the Ads Manager. Even though Facebook gives you tons of options, buttons, and links to press, the two places that we will visit the most are the Ads Manager, where we will run our ads, and the Events Manager, where we set up tracking for our ads. Click on Events Manager. This is the place where you will create your Facebook pixel to track the activities on your website. The pixel will track who landed on your landing page, who opted in, who purchased from you, and so on, so that you can retarget them or create new audiences similar to the people who enjoyed doing business with you in the past. Let's head back to the All Tools button and click on it. Click on Ad Account Settings. If you ever need to change your payment option or see how much you owe Facebook in ad spend, you will go here and click on the credit card payment settings icon to see that information. Since all payments are processed automatically, you won't need to come here very often. Let's visit one more location. Click on the All Tools button again and click on Business Settings. Unless you run an ad agency or have multiple businesses, you would probably never need to visit here either. But if you ever need to add additional people or members and grant them access to your account and pixel information, simply click on one of your businesses and it will take you here where you can do your management of the accounts. I am going to switch back to my personal account, and by doing that, I will automatically be taken to the Ads Manager, which is our home. Now, I want to warn you against something that can be tricky and confusing. You see that house icon at the top left-hand corner of the screen? Facebook calls this your business home. If you click on it, it will take you to the Facebook Business Suite, where it will give you an overview of all the data for your Facebook pages, recent posts, and recent ads promoting only those posts. But what about the ads that's running from your Ads Manager? Nope, it won't be shown here. This is the reason why you do not want to spend too much time here. This is just a sneaky way for Facebook to remind you to run ads on your Facebook pages. As you can see, you can click on the top and easily select different pages that you own and run ads on those pages. As we covered in a previous episode, running ads directly from your Facebook page is an amateur way of running Facebook ads. It does not give you enough control over your ads, and it's a sure way to waste money. Even though Facebook calls this location your business home, it shouldn't be. The Ads Manager is your real business home. This is where you can run professional ads and get professional results. So click on More Tools and select Ads Manager to go back to our real home. Alright, home sweet home. And finally, if you are having any technical problems with your ad manager, you can always ask Facebook for help. Simply click on the question mark icon at the lower left-hand corner, then click on Contact Support Team, and you can chat with a live representative to get your questions answered. Okay, now with all the housekeeping items out of the way, are you ready for some fun? You'll notice that your dashboard is broken up into 3 main tabs. A campaign tab that shows you all the campaigns that you have ran recently. An ad sets tab that shows you all of your ad sets. And an ads tab that shows you all of your ads. Campaign, ad sets, ads. Do you remember in the beginning of the episode I told you that running Facebook ads is like managing your very own movie studio? Let me show you what I mean. To make a movie, that movie needs to be created by a production company. And a production company needs to be funded and managed by a movie studio. Makes sense, right? Well, that's exactly how Facebook ads work. In order to run an ad, that ad needs to be in an ad set. And that ad set needs to be in a campaign. So the hierarchy is campaign, ad set, and ad. Movie studio, production company, and movie. Now here comes the biggest mistake that beginners make when running ads. Facebook allows you to create a campaign, and in that campaign, Facebook allows you to create multiple ad sets. And in an ad set, Facebook allows you to create multiple ads. Do you know how crazy complicated this can be? It would be hell trying to manage everything and know what's going on. Now, why does Facebook allow you to do this? You know why. Because more options means more money in their pocket. But more options does not mean more success for you. This is like if you were the head of a movie studio. You have the studio, and that studio hires multiple production companies. And each of those companies is making multiple movies. The process of managing everything becomes so overwhelming that you are bound to make mistakes and will lose you tons of money. Not to mention, you will come out with crappy and poor quality movies that no one wants to watch. Here is an example. Let's say you are thinking of coming out with 3 movies: Iron Man, Captain America, and Spider-Man. You could start with one movie studio, which is Marvel Studios, and hire multiple production companies. And each of these production companies will attempt to make all 3 movies at the same time while sharing the same resource, the same budget. Unless you are an experienced executive with a large budget and money to burn, I think you will agree with me that this could lead to disaster. No, we are going to keep things super simple. Instead of having one Marvel studio managing everything, we will break that up into 3 separate studios with their own budget. And each studio will hire only one production company. And each production company will make only one movie. One movie studio, one production company per studio, and one movie per production company. This will ensure the efficiency of the resources being spent and increase the quality of the movies being made. And guess what? That's exactly how we will run our Facebook ad campaigns. Each ad that we will create will have its own ad set and be managed by its own campaign. The ratio will be 1 to 1 to 1. One campaign, one ad set, and one ad. This will allow us to easily manage what's going on and easily test variables that may impact our ad performance, such as one campaign targeting mobile users, one campaign targeting desktop users, one campaign targeting people in the United States, or one campaign targeting international audiences. You see how this works? We will of course go into the details, and I will help you set up your ad campaign step by step when it's time to run your ads. But I just wanted to give you an overview of what we are trying to accomplish and why we are running ads this way. Oh, by the way, the movie examples and the production company's examples that I shared with you happened in real life. Marvel Studios hired one visual effects production company, Industrial Light and Magic, to make Iron Man. Double Negative visual effects production company to make Captain America, and Sony Pictures Imageworks to make Spider-Man. One visual effects production company per movie, one ad set per ad. If big movie studios are successfully running their movie campaigns like this, shouldn't you at least give this strategy a try? Success is often determined by how simple and efficient your process is. The simpler you can make it, the higher the chances for success. Can't wait to help you create that awesome blockbuster movie that will be loved by millions of people around the world. Or at least loved by your target demographic. So, what do you think? Have you tried this way of running your ad campaigns before? Let me know in the comments, and I'll show you other ways to structure your campaigns to get the most bang for your ad dollar buck. Now that you know how to run your ad campaigns, let me break things down even further and show you exactly what you need to do first before you run your ads. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button, because in the next episode, I will show you the 4-step customer pathway, why you only need 4 things in order to create a winning ad. I'll also explain the best lead magnet that top marketers are using today so that you can start doubling the conversions on your landing pages immediately. I'll see you in the next episode.